up YouTube? You can do 3000 here, and I am back with my random pack opening, part 2 now. So let's so I got the packs here. So let's pick some packs out of here to get let's get one of these. So I'll get the Cyber Dark Impact. See the Power of the Duelist. I'm gonna get 6 packs this time now instead of 8. So let's see, let's do one Fronic Guardian. Let's do a Legend of Blue Eyes. So that's 5 and then one more pack. Let's do another tournament pack here. Then number 6. Okay, so there's 6 packs right there. Let's put these off for next time. Okay, here's our 6 packs we got. There we go. We got a tournament pack 6, Legend of Blue Eyes, Fronic Guardian, Power of the Duelist, Cyber Dark Impact, and Rise of Destiny. So let's do the Rise of Destiny here first. And this one is a first edition. See if we can get a holo out of here. A Flint rare. Okay, let's do Fronic Guardian. There we go. Oh sweet, super rare Reaper on the Nightmare. That's cool. Super rare. It's pretty sweet. Okay, let's do the tournament pack 6. And no rare or holo, but that's what we got. Pretty cool. Now let's do the Cyber Dark Impact. And it's first edition. Okay, here we go. A rare Black Horn of Heaven. It's pretty cool. One holo so far, super. Let's do the Power of the Duelist. It's first edition too. Okay, here we go. See if we get a holo. And a rare Alien Warrior. Rare. And our last pack, Legend of Blue Eyes. Let's see if we get something cool out of here. Like a Blue Eyes White Dragon, it'd be pretty sweet. Or maybe like a Exodia piece or something. I don't want to break the pack. Let's see here. Trying to open the pack without tearing it to pieces. What's going on here? Oh man, oh well. Okay, here we go. And a rare Darkfire Dragon. Pretty cool. Okay, so there we go. We got a rare. See, we got Black Horn of Heaven, Darkfire Dragon, Alien Warrior, and a Flint. And then we got one super rare. Reaper on the Nightmare. It's pretty cool. So yeah, so remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for part 3. And see you later.